How to remove parental control on Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can remove our parental control on Google account. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to follow some steps. But before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to open your Play Store here. You need to open Play Store. After that, just go to your settings. Just tap on your profile at the top right. In here, go to settings. After tapping on settings, you can see this family. Under family, you will be able to see this parental control option. So what you can do is just go here and turn it off. You can see I have already turned off. If it is enabled and you are not able to turn it off, you may just clear the cache of this particular app and reset the data as well of this particular app, and that will help you enable the option or disable the option of parental controls. So just follow the steps I told you, and you should be able to control your parental control. You should be able to turn off your parental control on Play Store or your Google account. So therefore, in this way, you can turn off your parental control on Google account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.